morning, class. This week we have been focusing on the letter K that says K and the letter H that says H. And we are going to be practicing those sounds in our two books for the week, Kid, Hid, and Hog in a Hat. So for our words to sound out this week, I've written down some of the words that you might see in your book as you're reading this week. So we're going to start over here. The first word is hog. 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 Kid. 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 Next one. Hid. 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 Hat. 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 Kit. 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 Hip. 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 So this might be a typical sentence that you might see in your book this week. It says, read it with me, the kid hid in a big top hat. I encourage you to read these words by watching this video without the sound. See if you can do it without the sound, or see if you can read them faster than Mrs. Stokes did. Okay, good luck reading, and I look forward to hearing you all at our weekly reading session this week. Have a great day. I miss you all.